Have you ever wondered why so many fresh graduates struggle to land their dream job, or even working professionals hit a wall in their careers? The answer lies in one simple truth: having a degree is not enough anymore. Here's the truth: employers are not just there to look at your degree or marks. They also want to know how well prepared you are to navigate the job market. And that's exactly what I'm here to help you with. Hi, growth seekers. Welcome to Grow with Karishma, your go to channel for where we decode careers, conquer confidence, and build a mindset for unstoppable success. So, growth seekers, in my 18 years of experience as a recruiter, I've seen so many high potential students struggle with the job search. It's not because they are not smart or they are not hardworking, it is just because they are not able to leverage their skills in the job market. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 skills that are going to make or break your career journey. Are you really excited to know what those 4 skills are? Let's get started. The first and the foremost skill that is important when it comes to your job search is a perfect resume. I know it's going to be very challenging, but I'm going to give you some pointers which is going to help you in writing a strong resume that catches the attention of the recruiter. Think of your resume as a marketing brochure. It's your golden ticket to get that entry into the door. That is your interview call. But here's the catch: employers spend only 6 seconds to scan your resume. Even the recruiters spend only 6 seconds to look at your resume and then decide whether to call you or not for the interview. Here's what makes a great resume: clear and structured formatting, using action verbs like led, created, achieved, and quantifying your work experience. For example, instead of saying worked on a marketing campaign, you should write managed a marketing campaign when worked on social media, which increased the engagement by 25% in 3 months. In my Job Ready program, I teach you how to write a resume even if you don't have much experience. The number 2 skill that I want to talk about is building a strong LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is not just any social network, it is your personal landing page. Did you know that 85% of the jobs are filled through networking? Here's how you can make LinkedIn work for you: use a professional photo. Study says that if having a photo on your profile increases your chances of profile views by 21%. Write a headline that highlights your strengths. For example, aspiring data analyst, proficient in Excel and Python. The number 3rd skill that you need to master is your interviewing skills. Interviews can feel intimidating, but they're also your chance to shine. The key is preparation. Here's how to focus on interview preparation skills. Number 1 thing you need to do is research the company thoroughly. What is their mission? What is the latest news about the company? Is something that you should know and you should be aware about. Practice common questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. These questions are a must in the interview. Number 4 is creating a job search strategy. Applying for jobs randomly is not good enough. You must have a job search strategy that can help you to achieve your dream job within the right stipulated time. Here's how you can make your job search more strategic. Number 1, set clear goals. Identify the role and the target industry you are interested in. Number 2, customize your job application. You need to customize your resume and cover letter as per the job description you are applying for. Number 3, track your progress. Use a spreadsheet or a tracker where you can monitor the job applications that you have sent or how many people you have to follow up, and make sure that you also keep a track of your job applications and upcoming interviews. Number 4 is network proactively. Reach out to any alumni or professionals which are in your industry for more informational interviews. A well-planned job search strategy not only saves you time but also increases your chances of landing your next job. Now, here's the good news: you don't have to figure out all of this alone. I specialize in helping students and fresh graduates like you to master these skills. Let it be resume writing, LinkedIn optimization, setting up a job search strategy, or acing your interview. I will help you in all these aspects through my Job Ready program. The job market may feel overwhelming, but the right skills can turn it into an opportunity. Click on the link below to register for the Job Ready program and start your journey to success today. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, keep growing and take care.